M.A.W. Mondays, I'm just making it early because I probably won't have time to upload it any other time. But today feels nice, man. It's like feels like summertime out here. But Silver 8 Bits, I know you won the contest and I sent you the pump sprayer mod, but I have an updated version. Now, starting off, see, that's in business, we always gotta constantly improve. Nobody's perfect. And you just gotta keep improving on, there's always a better way to do something, basically. So I came up with a better solution because I'm a little bit annoyed of the dribbling once I stop spraying because of the loop and the holes that I drill. So what I did was I attached one of my pump sprayer nozzles so that it could spray and I could change the pattern. Now that's just awesome. What I did is just awesome. I actually came across Herman's video and he did one. So I took his concept based on what I had and I went to Home Depot and I did mine a little different. Everyone does theirs a little different. His works, mine works. Whatever you choose, whatever you decide, whatever's available is what you make do with. So Herman put a detailed video about his nozzle and this loop thing for the John Guest connectors, and I'll be right back. I'm going to show y'all what I did. Alright, so basically what I did was I put a nozzle on here. As you can see, I got the T-barb fitting. Alright, and I got, this is like half inch tubing, and this is, I think, half-inch quick connectors. But all this is, let me take this apart for you. You can actually pull this apart. See, all that is, I don't know if y'all can see. There's a hole in there, but it's not focusing. Alright. There's a hole in there. Now, I was kind of winging it, but when I grabbed the tubing, I realized that this fits right on there and it doesn't leak. You see? Hold on, let me put the phone down. Alright. So, there we have it. This is perfect, man. It shoots real far, but not only that, I can adjust. Alright, you see where I'm at? Now watch. It go all the way over there. People are passing. Alright, now this shoots far. You see how far it's shooting? See how far it's shooting? Now that's far. Now obviously if you're up on the glass, you're not going to need it to shoot that far. But that just goes to show you that it's adjustable. But I tend to like it like this. I tend to like it just like this. So there you have it. It's perfect. It's not so much weight because these are plastic fittings. If you can, Silver 8 bits, get the plastic fittings. Don't get the brass. I got this brass nozzle because unfortunately the only adjustable nozzle that I have is in the brass form, which is not really that big of a deal. It only weighs like not even a quarter pound. It's more like an ounce or something, or less. I don't know. But there you have it. I hope you like the mod. Macafracka. Peace, peace, peace. No dribbles. The back pressure when you let it go fast, somehow it doesn't allow it to dribble, if you can understand what that means. The only reason why it dribbles is because I had it coming out real slow. But if you have it coming out fast and you let go, no dribbling at all. Outstanding. Macafracka, peace, peace, peace. I have 3 of these. I have 3 of these nozzles, so I'm going to use them for all my wagtails now. Alright. See y'all on the next one.